All right, so let's take a look. Here we have 4x equals 16. So this is times, this is multiplying. The inverse operation, the opposite of multiplication, is division. So we divide by what? By that same number, 4. Remember, the goal is always to get that x by itself. That cancels out the 4, leaving you with just x on this side. And then what I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So I divide this side by 4 as well. 4 goes into 16. Well, let's count by 4s and see. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times. So x equals 4. I can plug that in to check. 4 from the original equation. 4 times, and then I said x was 4. So 4 times 4, does that equal 16? Yes, it checks out. Okay. Same thing here. You're going to divide both sides by 3. That'll get x by itself. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Same thing here. Now the x changed sides. The x is on the right side now, but that doesn't matter. We still want to get the x by itself. So we got to divide it by 4 to get that x by itself on this side. And then we divide this 4 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So x equals 1. Okay. Now, I'm going to let you go ahead and do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. You can use the model. You can use inverse operation like I did on 1 through 3. Your choice on how you want to solve it. Now, on 7 and 8, I am going to show you again the model, how to solve the problems using the model. So I make my equation box. This line represents the equal sign. I have 4 x tiles on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 8 1 tiles on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the right side. And I want to make 4, the coefficient tells me how many groups I want. So I want 4 groups on this side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups on the left side. And then I want 4 equal groups on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice each one of my groups has 2. So for each x, there are 2 1 tiles. So x equals 2. Let me show you one more time using the model again on number 8. Here's my equation. The line represents the equal sign. I have 3 x tiles. This is my line for the equation. I have 3 x tiles on the left. 1, 2, 3. I have 18 1 tiles on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's on the right side. Okay. So I want the coefficient 3 here tells me how many groups I want. So on this side I want 3 equal groups. Here's my 3 groups. There's 1 x rectangle in each one of my 3 groups. And I want 3 equal groups on the right side. So there's a group of 6. There's a group of 6. And there's a group of 6. All the groups are equal. And for every 1x rectangle, I have a group of 6 1 squares. So each x equals 6 of the 1 squares. Okay, but again, if you're getting confused by the models, that's fine. I want you to see it. I want you to understand it. But essentially what you're doing, 3x, whoops, let me show you this again. 3x equals 18. This is multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're just dividing both sides by whatever the number is in front of the variable. In this case, it's 3. That gets rid of the 3, leaving me with just x. And then 3 goes into 18 6 times. So x equals 6. Okay? That's essentially what you're doing. So on number 6 here, you're dividing both sides by 5. On number 5 here, you're dividing both sides by 2. On number 4, you're dividing both sides by 3. Okay? I do like to show you the model so you can see visually what's happening, but this is essentially all you're doing. Dividing both sides by whatever the coefficient is. Okay, the number in front of the variable. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.